Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to our brand new weekly giveaways. We will give away a new phone or gift card each and every Sunday. And this week, we're giving away a brand new iPhone 10. And all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment with your email or your country. And that's it. Good luck. Hey guys, as usual, I have something pretty useful to share with you. Now you're probably wondering if it's possible to get specific video game premium currency for free. So, to answer your question right away, yes, it is possible to do it. And in this video, I will show you how to do it for any game that you want. Now first off, let me quickly explain just how this works. So when you visit our website, you can search for any game that you want. So when you open our generator, you just need to type in your username. Now this can be your Game Center or Google Play username in most cases. Now by using an online generator, you're able to generate resources that, once activated, will add a specific amount of resources to your account. Now after choosing the amount of resources, all you need to do is download 2 free apps from Google Play or App Store while you're logged into your account. Now some of these apps are very popular, such as Final Fantasy 15, Castle Clash, DraftKings, Solitaire, Big Fish Casino, Gummy Drop, App Match. You can choose whatever app suits you best, but keep in mind that after you download these apps, you'll have to run them for at least 30 seconds or complete a tutorial. Let me show you how it works in this sped up video. After you install it, just open the app and run it for 30 seconds or complete a tutorial if the app requires it. Do the same thing with the second app. Now that you're done with these steps, you can open up your game and you will see resources loading on your account. Let me show you. Okay guys, so now you can go and visit our website and search for a game that you want to tweak and simply apply the instructions from this video, and I'm sure that you'll be able to do it like I did in this video. Now that will be all guys. It's simple as that. Now if you have any questions about this, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Furthermore, if you're unable to generate the resources yourself, leave your email or username or gamer tag, and I'll try to manually process your request when I get the chance. And yeah, you probably know this, but subscribing to the channel is the best way to stay up to date with the latest discoveries, and it also helps us a lot and encourages us to keep doing what we're doing. Until next time.